knock on that door so you can get in. And don't mind the time, forget all that's been. Get lost in the park, find a tree that will last. Find a secret path that leads to our house. Climb the stairs to the roof, lay flat on your back. Wherever it may, fill up the space with your own melody. And every once in a while, when you miss the breeze, just look at the scars marking your knees.